you just shared a really, really heartwarming post about your dad.
Oh, yeah.
One, were you surprised at how much the parents episode really resonated with everyone? And were you surprised at how much sort of that experience meant to you?
Yeah, it's one of those things where we thought that it was a special episode when we were making it, but we didn't know it would have the response that it did. And it's so nice to see all these people writing nice things about it and saying they relate to it. And I have so many friends that have been texting me like that they were crying, and now they're like calling their parents and all this stuff. But it's really cool. I mean, that episode really was personal to me and Alan, and we're glad it turned out well.
What's been the best moment for you of 2015?
Best moment, I had a few things finally come out, that I've been working on for a long time. My Madison Square Garden special, the book, and then Master of None coming out and getting such a positive reception has really been great. Yeah.
You wrote a great essay in the New York Times recently about cultural diversity on TV.
Mm-hmm.
Do you feel like we're getting closer, and do you have hope, or do you think we have still a long ways to go?
Well, I mean, that's basically what the article's about. I think there's things moving in the right direction, but I don't think it's time to pat ourselves on the back. What I say in the article basically is like, there's a couple of shows, but for the most part, every single movie or show or whatever still could just be called, what are these white people up to? And that's not the world, So I think hopefully we'll have more and more. I feel like there's just so many stories to tell that haven't been told. Sure. And hopefully we'll see more of them.
And what's one piece of advice that you would give to someone else who is on the cusp of sort of breaking out and having a really, a big moment for them in their career?
Oh, I don't know. Just be nice to people and work hard.
Yeah.